DJ Tats Bless is on standby. So.
I have your hot topic for today. Please listen carefully. Hi KVG, hi 3 to 6 Express. I'm a lady aged 33 years and I'm married with twins, a boy and a girl. They are 3 years old. I got married at 25 years and I struggled to conceive. I became very curious about kushaya mbereko, semunhu akambobata mimba, and miscarried in my past relationship. My husband is a prayer warrior, so he kept insisting that we wait on God. Inini, I didn't give up looking for answers. I went to seek medical attention and my womb was confirmed clean, and the doctors even said hapana any abnormalities. I should be able to conceive naturally. I became so convinced that it was my husband and a challenge. I had a conversation with him trying to convince him to come with me to Notaris Chiremba, but he refused, insisting that we wait on the Lord. And that frustrated me so much. And I'm not proud to say this because I stepped out of my marriage and cheated with my ex-boyfriend. And shortly after that, I started feeling funny, kurutsa, and morning sickness. I took a pregnancy test and it came out positive. I shared the news with my husband and he was elated and even announced Muchech with a testimony. We carried our twins and right before Vanavauya, my husband confessed to cheating as well. He believed it was I was the problem and opened up about trying to find someone who could give him a child, and the lady had a baby boy. Havana kutosiyana sterek nema twins. When I was told ndakapera simba but ndakazvigamuchira, but ndakasara ndine question mark to say mwana ndiwe murume wangu here o akatogezerwawo. So all was well until recently she started making ridiculous money demands and sharing the elite schools yaari kuda kuendesa mwana. My plan was to let this disaster die, but I'm realizing that this woman is out to suck us dry for all the hard work and wealth that we have acquired. What can I do? If I expose her, I might be exposing myself because I don't know what my husband told this woman about our bedroom shortcomings. I don't know, ndodini, but how do I fix this?
Yo. Thank you so much, Ziva, for our hot topic. 0772162651. You're connecting with us. I mean, Ziva, your reaction. Yeah, Pakaoma. You can connect with us at Tinzwo kuti pfungwa dzenyu dziri kuti pa hot topic yedu ya nasi. I'll open up the phone lines. Let's hear from line 1. Maswera say.
Maswera say.
Taswera zvakanaka. Enderera henyu mberi.
Inyaya inorwadza because inini ndiri musituation yakadaro ndakaroora munhu akamboita mwana. Then tiri kustruggle kuita mwana. So ndiri kutotyawo kuti ukada kumupusha ndakutozvionawo ndaitombozifunga ndirega kuti munhu ukada kumupusha ungadai anogona kutanga kufunga kuita zvimwe.
Yeah.
Handina advice. Thank you.
Oh. Yeah. You know, love and light to you, my brother. You know, sometimes tinonzwa situations around, right? And sometimes I'm going to worsen a situation, sometimes I'm going to kutirerukira. And to my brother, I just want to say to you kuti musaba mafunga kuti hot topic yedu ya nasi ndo zvichaitika kwamuri. You know, if you trust your person, and kana muwanano yenyu muchitrustana nemudzimai wenyu and mabvuma kuti tishamirira nguva yaMwari, please rambai makatsika ipapo. Don't feel discouraged just because we have an ugly situation that has been presented as a hot topic here. But yeah, love and light to you, my brother, and thank you so much for calling in. Star FM, hello.
Hello.
Hi, Maswera say.
Maswera say.
Taswera zvakanaka, enderera imberi.
Ngaite magenesis. ngaangotanga anotesta vana vake ari ega nababa wacho ongotesta ona kuti ndizvo here and then